Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have travel accessory that's been making waves for its convenience and durability. This, my friends, is the ultimate luggage bungee strap, renowned for its reliability and ease of use. Let's talk about what sets this bungee strap apart from the rest. Firstly, its robust design. Crafted from premium materials, it boasts sturdy hooks that securely latch onto any suitcase or travel bag. No more worries about your luggage slipping or sliding while on the move. Whether you're a frequent flyer or a road trip enthusiast, this bungee strap is your go-to companion. Simply wrap it around your suitcase, tighten the straps for a snug fit, and you're good to go. It's that simple. Durability is key when it comes to travel gear. This bungee strap excels in tough conditions, from scorching summer days to rainy escapades. Its weather-resistant material ensures longevity, providing peace of mind on every journey. What about versatility? Whether you're carrying a backpack, duffel bag, or even multiple pieces of luggage, this strap adjusts effortlessly. It adapts to your needs, offering flexibility that simplifies your packing and travel experience. Size matters, especially when it comes to travel accessories. Despite its strength, this bungee strap remains compact and lightweight. When not in use, it folds neatly into your bag, ready to assist you whenever and wherever you travel. So, if you're looking to upgrade your travel gear with the best luggage bungee strap on the market, look no further. Check out the link in the description to get yours today and start traveling smarter. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on essential products. Until next time, safe travels and happy exploring.